Fujikura presents the 90R Mass Fusion Splicer with a replaceable V-groove system. The 90R kit delivers three key benefits: a replaceable V-groove, enhanced splice quality, and smart and secure management with active fusion control technology and active blade management technology. Let's explain the 90R's easily replaceable V-groove system, which allows users to install and remove the V-groove very quickly with 2 screws. This feature enables 90R users to splice both Type 200 micron and 250 micron spacing fiber by replacing the V-groove. Also, if there's debris in the V-groove that is difficult to remove by cleaning, users can continue splicing by replacing the V-groove with a spare. Let's explain these features in greater detail. In previous models, without a replaceable V-groove, it was necessary to prepare a splicer with a 200 micron V-groove and a separate splicer with a 250 micron V-groove in order to splice both types of fiber. The 90R's replaceable V-groove enables users to switch between 200 micron and 250 micron in accordance with the spacing of the ribbon fiber. In addition, it is possible to achieve various types of fiber splicing by combining optional accessories. After extensive use, the 90R's V-groove may accumulate melted glass deposits, which can lead to poor fiber alignment and unstable fusions. This accumulated melted glass on the V-groove is difficult to remove by simple cleaning and can be one of the causes of high splice loss for large fiber offsets. The 90R includes a spare V-groove that is attached with stabilized electrodes. Therefore, even if a large offset error occurs, the 90R can continue fusion splicing operations by replacing the V-groove. Next, let's explain active fusion control technology. The 90R automatically determines the appropriate fusion splicing parameters according to the ribbon fiber count and the installed V-groove spacing. The 90R also analyzes the fiber brightness during fusion and adjusts the fusion power in real time to ensure an evenly distributed amount of heat, thus decreasing splice loss. Now, let's explain active blade management technology. The 90R can interface with the RS-03 and 1 or 2 CT50 cleavers via wireless communication. With this feature, the RS-03 can adjust automatically to accommodate varying fiber and ribbon stripping requirements. The 90R ensures that automatic blade rotations are appropriately timed by initiating them based on the frequency of bad cleaves. As a cleaver blade wears down from use, it inevitably begins to produce bad cleaves. When it detects that the current blade position is expended, the 90R uses its wireless communication to signal the CT50 to automatically rotate its blade. Let's explain wireless communication between the 90R and the RS-03. The 90R's splice modes are geared not only to meet your varying splice needs, but are also preset with different temperature settings, which are communicated wirelessly from the 90R to the RS-03. This enables the RS-03 ribbon stripper to automatically adjust its heater temperature for optimal fiber stripping. Other useful features include the 90R's automated wind protector. Its carrying case includes a removable work tray that can separate to become a compact splicing work area. The tray has enough storage space to house and protect tools and accessories. If you're ready to improve your splicing operations, choose the Fujikura 90R kit as your mass fusion splicing solution.